Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukias kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make this tasty mincemeat stew. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned to enjoy my recipe. Without further ado, let's get into today's video. Place a medium large pan on a medium heat. Then you're going to add half a kg of mincemeat. I've used lamb, or you can use any other mincemeat that you prefer. Then sprinkle some salt. Add half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of ginger paste, and mix everything well and nice. Then cover the mincemeat to let it cook until nicely cooked. Once the mincemeat starts to produce some water, open the lid and let the meat to cook without covering it until it's nicely cooked and completely dry. It took me approximately 7 to 10 minutes for my mincemeat to be nicely cooked like this. Then your mincemeat is ready and place it in a bowl. Using the same pan, you're going to add 3 to 4 tablespoons of cooking oil and let the oil to heat up. Once hot, add 1 slice of onion and cook the onion till golden brown. When the onions are golden brown, you're going to add potatoes. I've used 1 large potatoes and cut it into small pieces. Then add 2 grated carrots and a 1/4 cup of green peas and mix everything well and nice. Then cover to let it cook for approximately 3 to 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, open the lid. Then you're going to add 3 blended tomatoes, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, and some salt to taste, and mix everything well and nice. Then let the stew to cook for approximately 1 to 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, you're going to add 1 teaspoon of curry powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of tumeric powder, 1 teaspoon of royco, 2 tablespoons of crushed coriander and green bell pepper, and lastly, I'm going to add a half a piece of jumbo, or you can use magi, and if you don't have, it's not a must. Then mix everything well and nice and let the stew to cook for approximately 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, our stew is nicely cooked and thick. Then you're going to add the cooked mincemeat and mix the stew and the meat very well. Lastly, I'm going to squeeze a half a lime to add an extra amazing taste to the stew. Then cover the stew to cook for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, our mincemeat stew is ready. As you can see in the video, it's nicely cooked and very tasty, and serve in a bowl. And our mincemeat stew is ready. As you can see in the video, you can eat along with chapati, rice, mandazi, spaghetti, or anything that you like and enjoy your mincemeat stew. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below, or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram, Rukias Kitchen, for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.